Hey everyone, so we are at the beach. We ran last night, ran this morning, had some strata, which is really good. And I'm dropping all the bags. Anna and Noble ready to go to the beach, have fun. And they're right, Noble. Noble, you smile? Is that fun? Yeah. So we're headed that way, and we're gonna get some footage at the beach. I brought my GoPro, but I brought the wrong case, so that was unfortunate. But either way,
he was a little rushed.
Well, I was a little rushed. Just take a whole day off of work. Never take half a day and try to get to the beach. So anyway, I'm headed over there. We're all headed over there. We're gonna have a good time, and I'm sure you'll see a bunch. Noble.
You got it there, Anna.
Hey, you having fun? I know. They playing with a kite. They playing with a kite down there? Noble, where are you going? Come back. Come back, little buddy.
I see. Fix it. Ready? You ready? Set, go.
Don't go too far.
Wow.
Okay, you ready?
Okay.
See if it works. Look, Oliver,
Ah!
we made a
What have you
sandcastle.
What have you done?
They did exactly the same thing.
Ah!
So we gave up on that. Decided to let them dig a hole. Digging a hole for some reason occupies them for hours. Sandcastles. All they want to do is tear them apart.
At least you're enjoying it, right?
Oh, he's loving tearing it apart.
More time? Say bye-bye, beach. Then we go to the pool now.
Yep.
Yeah, is that the water?
Yeah, wait.
We have a pool here at our cottage. Hold on.
Wait. Noble's very excited about it.
We gotta brush you off and then we're gonna get in the water, okay?
Is that Daddy? What's Daddy doing? Let's go to Daddy. Let's go find Daddy.
Kick, 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 kick.
Kick, 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 kick. No, no, Daddy.
What's your problem?
Do you have to blow it up?
Yes.
Approaching 2 years old. Side.
You wanna get up?
He's a natural.
You kick it?
Kick, 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 kick.
Keep your face out of the water, dude.
He's learning.
One of his favorites are to jump up.
Good job.
My hat's over there.
You need
Yeah, you got up.
No, not for a few minutes.
Where you going?
It's actually quite nice.
Is it?
This is a clean pool.
You want a mommy?
Not only does it look clean, it feels clean.
Hi, Noble.
That's a seal.
Well, lay down.
Okay, watch. You ready to watch?
But wait, I didn't get the ball.
You can get it. I can see you. You can get it.
But figure it out. I got it.
Okay, throw it to me.
Hey guys, so Noble took a nap this afternoon after he ate lunch, and I did some homework, and then I took a nap.
Oh, you did?
Yep.
I didn't know you took a nap.
Yeah. When you went in that room and I was there, it's because I had been sleeping for like the past hour and a half.
Oh, did not know that.
Anna went shopping with her mother.
Yeah, we went to the knitting store and picked out the yarn for Noble's hat to match his jacket that she bought him.
That's good.
And we went to Life is Good.
Cool.
And they were having a sale, but it was still kind of pricey.
Yeah. You know, it says, hey, say hello. You're cute either way. So anyways, so we are going to head to dinner now. We do a family dinner Thursdays. Well, it's Thursday this year.
It's been Thursday.
It's been Thursday, but it all depends on, I guess, when people are here.
No, we used to do Friday, and then we realized that we could do it. It was less crowded and cheaper
To do it Thursday.
to do it
It's
Thursday.
true.
Because we do the early bird special. That's why at 4:30 we're headed to the restaurant.
Alright, so we're gonna go do that, and it's gonna be a good dinner. Noble! Noble! Look at Mama!
Noble, come get him.
Here they are!
Look at mommy.
Look!
There they are.
Look! Here are the bubbles!
Yeah. Thank you.
Man! Yeah, look at them all! The wind just kind of blows them right through, doesn't
I
it?
know, it's kind of cool.
Oliver, Anna's doing the bubbles. You can chase them. Look at them go!
That wasn't
Noble, you ready to get some ice cream? Yes.
nice.
Get some ice cream. Hey, you eating ice cream? Is it good? Is it good, huh? Yeah. Is it getting all over the place? Yeah. Don't worry, Dad's got this. He's on it, but you need to eat. Come on, eat your ice cream. This is gonna get all over you, isn't it? I'm gonna say yeah. Noble, you're in your stroller, you're walking.
Show him your shoes. Who's on your shoes?
Is it Batman? Is that Batman? Yeah, it's Batman. Did you have a fun time at Taylor Whale?
I did.
Good.
Good. And then we got ice cream now.
We had dinner and then went to Fat Boys for ice cream, and now we're going on a little walk. And we'll see if it gets dark before I remember to say bye. So this is the run walk that we get to experience every day. It's just nice, beautiful. I guess we used to have a cottage that was further down that way.
Yeah.
And we would we'd run to that water tower out there in the distance. But won't be doing that from here. So
I ran past it last year.
that's because you had how long?
The last day I was here, or Friday last year, I had an hour-long run.
So if we took an hour, we probably could go past it, but we don't. Because I'm not doing that. So we're done with our walk. It's getting pretty dark, so I'm just going to say bye now. Oh, he was singing. Anyways, so I'm going to say bye now. We'll probably, I don't know, maybe jump in the pool after we put him to bed, or do get in the hot tub or something. But either way, have a good night, and we will see you tomorrow. Noble, say bye.